Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we have Starbucks White Mocha, a premium instant coffee. So this is some kind of new instant coffee on the markets. Let's see how it compares to the Nescafes in the background. But don't get tricked, because this actually is also made by the same company. As you can see, Nestle with the trademark of Starbucks. So all of these are made by the same company. So these guys, they have the monopoly on the instant coffee market. But let's see if they make this any different. We have to find out what this is all about. The packaging is smaller, it's more slim, and it only has 5 cups of coffee. So you pay the premium price for only 5 cups. Let's see how it looks inside. See, only 5. Seems to me that the back is slightly bigger maybe. Maybe there's more serving per 1 coffee. I don't know. We have to check the guides. So, we put 1 sachet to 180 mils of water. I think the Nescafe is 200 mils, so you put less water here. So it's even smaller. But how come the sachet is like as big? I don't know. But anyway, enough talk. Let's pour it in. Ooh. It's pretty white inside, so a lot of milk powder, I guess. Nice. And now comes the hardest part. How much is 180 mils of water? This 1 cup is 330, I think. So yeah, let's see what happens. That's good. That's 180. A perfect amount of water, as always. I always put perfect amount of water. Never make mistake. Starbucks at your home. This is gonna be nice experience. 100% committed to ethical coffee sourcing. That's good. Ooh, look at the foam. A lot of foam coming up. Let's go ahead and give it a taste. It's time for the truth. Let's see if Starbucks White Mocha Premium Instant Coffee tastes any good. Now the smell, it's definitely different than these Nescafe ones. It's actually the smell that you smell when you go to Starbucks. Wow, amazing. It's much more smooth, much more rich in texture. I like the smell. Can't wait to taste it. Look at the foam. Nice. Let's find out. Ooh, really sweet. There is a hint of an actual Starbucks drink here. I wonder how they do it. Is it the milk or is it the beans? What makes Starbucks taste like Starbucks? It's definitely different than these Nescafe ones. Like, how would they do this? Yeah, it must be the milk, okay? The milk is different than these Nescafe ones. Like, let's see the ingredients fast here. I'm pretty sure they use like, okay, let's see here. So they use full milk powder, 35%. So it says full milk, it means it has the fat included. Maybe in these Nescafe ones, they use like light milk, low fat milk. Coffee is always better with high amount of fat milk. You need to have like the red milk. In Finland they have the red carton for the high fat milk, and that's the best milk, because naturally milk has a fat and artificially they take it out of the milk. So the low fat milk is actually not good for you. You need to have some fat, okay? It's only 6.2% coffee, which 6.1% is instant coffee and 0.1% is highly grinded coffee beans. So that's pretty funny. They have two different kinds of coffees here. Instant coffee, 6.1%, and then they grind 0.1% actual coffee bean here. I guess it enhanced the flavor somehow. But yeah, look at this ingredient list, to be honest. Like, I don't see any ease here. No artificial flavors here. Like, this is actually natural ingredients mostly. They have a natural flavor stabilizer, and then they have like glucose syrup. I mean, that has to be natural too. So, like, this coffee has a lot of natural ingredients. Let's see about these Nescafe ones. Where does it say it? Yeah, I figured it out. Here it says fat-free milk powder. Fat-free milk powder. That's why this tastes different than this Nescafe one. Maybe that's why Starbucks is also more popular than other coffee brands, because it's about the milk. They use milk that is full of fat. Yeah, definitely the best instant coffee experience I ever had. This beats all of these Nescafe Golds. Easy mode. Easy mode. It's not even competition. The only downside, of course, is you only get 5. It's a premium instant coffee. You have to pay premium price to get this. But it's definitely worth to taste it. Now, when I bought this, I thought it would be like a marketing trick. Get the famous brand like Starbucks to promote your product and just sell it high price, but they actually put the quality in the product. Like, I'm happy about that. Thank you, Nestle, for making this great coffee. You know what? It's gonna be highest rated coffee on this channel. 9.7 out of 10. Like, the only minus point is coming from, of course, the price. But I mean, and maybe a little bit minus points for having high amount of sugar, because this one has a lot of sugar. 7.6 per 100 mils, so it's almost the same as Coca-Cola or Pepsi in the sugar amount. So this is more like a soft drink and a coffee, maybe. I don't know, but it's good, definitely. 9.7 out of 10 for Starbucks White Mocha Premium Instant Coffee. Thanks for watching, and of course, subscribe for the channel to see more of these reviews. I have this new special edition here that's coming soon on this channel. And like the video, leave a comment below if you taste it or not. And we'll see you guys in the next review. Thanks for watching.